Assalamu alaikum. So today we will start another unit for class 12th, that is magnetic effects of current. So today's first topic of this unit is Oersted experiment. So we is purmut heating effects of current, thermal effects of current. So use this unit magnetic effects of current. So a charge at rest produces only electric field. So as per charge rests much asan, each produce electric field. But what about when the charge is motion? Agar we charge as motion, that means motion of charge is called electric current. So is per charge as motion, that means electric current as paka ek wire means. Ye panas produce. So for many years it was thought that electricity and magnetism have no relation with each other. Varian ki electricity and magnetism, these are two different branches of physics. They have no relation with each other. That means electricity and magnetism aman chana panwi ka relation. So they are two different branches of the physics. So first evidence was observed in 1820 by Hans Christian Oersted. So first evidence which gives that there is the relationship between electricity and magnetism. Yel gwarnik phira wishne ki na electricity and magnetism aman panwi relation, they are interdependent. So this was first observed in 1820. So this experiment was performed by Christian Oersted, and this experiment is known as Oersted experiment. This Oersted saw experimentally that electric current through a straight wire causes deflection of magnetic compass needle held near the wire. He also showed that the iron filings sprinkled around the wire arrange themselves in concentric circles with wire as center in the plane perpendicular to the wire. So he showed these two experiments. So this experiment kashwana as ki is per the agar bi ak wire aknem binimi pen em wire mein spike electric current. So electric current yim spike agar ba at wire nazdik thaba ak magnetic needle. So yajen banaba magnetic needle ashpada magnetic needle narat sovat magnetic needle ak thaba ekis ich current carrying wire ich wire ak emish paka current at nazdik thoba magnetic needle. This magnetic needle is deflected. You see magnetic needle chi is deflected ich okan dala. That means ashpata magnet gastile deflected yele after magnetic field pay. That means you see current carrying wire chi yimzi current pakashi wire imaz at wire undin jikasa magnetic field produce. So magnetic field is trauma kat ped magnet needle ped effect them search gasa deflected. That means whenever current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around the wire. Also agar is a conductor ak nimo yajin में current carrying conductor ये पकना भी इन plane में ये था भी अगर भी यात अंदीन चक्र iron fillings. So iron fillings चक ब या वुश्नीम iron fillings च at अंदीन at current carrying wires अंदीन गसा arrange in concentric circles. The center of those concentric circles is the wire plane perpendicular to the plane. So the branch of physics which deals with the magnetism due to electric current is called electromagnetism, and this branch of physics which gives the relationship between the electricity and magnetism, this branch is called electromagnetism. Electromagnetism means the magnetism produced due to electric current. So whenever current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around the wire, and this branch is called electromagnetism. And we say this electricity and magnetism are the two faces of the same coin. That means this is a single branch and we have two faces. One is the electricity and other is the magnetism. Here, what is the experiment performed by this Oersted? So Oersted in cash experiment ditmut. So yajani me magnetic needle ak. So yajanim gwarthaba direction ashpata direction north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. So this experiment, you see experiment, Oersted experiment, he used to do so by placing this magnetic needle or a current carrying conductor. This is the current carrying conductor X, Y directly over magnetic needle but perpendicular to the axis of the needle. This Oersted was magnetic needle magnet needle current carrying conductor at nazdik thawan but perpendicular to this axis of the needle. So you see conductor you see needle there was no deflection. So atmas deflection because conductor trauma perpendicular to the axis of the needle. This is the axis of the needle. Athos trauma perpendicular this conductor nazdik thawan but in a direction perpendicular to the axis of this. One day एक दा वुशिम कि एम कर काम अचानक किसी कंडक्टर ये थो इथे पर थो मैग्नेटिक नीडल. दैट मीन्स अगर बह यह मैग्नेटिक नीडल निम ये निम मैग्नेटिक नीडल नॉर्थ साउथ दिस इज द एक्सिस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक नीडल अपरी थो मे कंडक्टर. दैट मीन्स दिस कंडक्टर वाज प्लेस्ड above this needle but along the axis of the needle. It was found that there is the deflection in the magnet needle. This magnet needle was deflected, which was against his expectation. So when time was this magnet needle have deflection, कि मगर you think me magnet needle to along the axis of this needle I get deflection. So deflection you see north pole of this needle it was deflected towards west. So he further wished कि चूंकि current weakness from south to north. So conductor is effort direction of current is from south to north. Needle get deflected towards the west along west direction. Even कि अगर current करो direction of current करो change. अगर वो current पकना from this to x to y, that means from north to south. This north pole will be deflected towards east. Even बेति चूंकि म्यून weakness current carrying conductor थोमन में above this needle. अगर वो था below needle. So मतलब above needle वो थो below needle. This part guys direction of the current, direction of the deflection gets change. That means you see deflection in the needle actually is part the current is fire this needle is deflected. This shows that magnetic field is produced around this wire. Agar is direction of the current karo change in the wire, this magnetic needle is deflected in other direction. Similarly, agar is current carrying wire above or below this magnetic needle, tell the guys direction of current to change. Thus, Oersted experiment demonstrated that around every conductor carrying an electric current, there is a magnetic field. So, whenever current passes through a wire, magnetic field is around it. So what will be the direction of deflection of the needle? There is a rule called Snow rule. It was given by Ampere. So what does this Ampere swimming rule say? Let the observer imagine himself to be swimming along the conductor in the direction of current and facing the magnetic needle. Then the north pole of the needle will be deflected towards his left hand. So that is Snow rule. Snow rule, what does Snow rule say? It means current from south to north in a wire placed over the magnetic needle. The north pole of the needle is deflected towards west. What this rule say? It say, agar current it is north, south, east, west. Agar current is from south to north. So direction of current home from south to north. Over agar ye current carrying wire chest thomas over the magnetic needles tal at current carrying wire, then this north pole will be deflected towards west. Tel guys north pole deflected towards west. So this rule is called Snow rule. Go Snow rule is effort te wana कि अगर तु panun pan सोचु कि तु छु srant vaya along the conductor, effort conductor upper chu tu vaya srant. That means effort to booth chu effort to booth upper direction of current. तो booth chu ton ko ka needly kon. तेल गस नारथ पोल तुकनी डिफ्लेक्ट योकन तुन लेफ्ट हैंड सो अस पे सोन लेफ्ट हैंड अमी साइड गस ये डिफ्लेक्ट नीडल ते सो आज पोड़ तेल ये Oersted experiment क्या गो Oersted experiment whenever current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around the wire, and this branch of physics is called electromagnetism.